Good morning students. Today I'll be teaching you math subject in that chapter number 6, that is factorization of algebraic expression. This today what I'm going to teach you, it is a continuation part of your chapter, and we'll see today another part of your chapter, that is nothing but the a cube plus b cube, factors of a cube plus b cube. How we will find the factors of this equation or this algebraic expression, and for that we have to follow the equation steps, right? It is very important to see and listen it carefully one by one step. Okay, I'm going to explain one by one. First, what you have to do, first you have to write a plus b the whole cube in the bracket. After that is equals to a cube plus, remember that plus and minus sign is very important to mention in the expression while solving also and while writing your answer also. A cube plus 3a square b, this will be another term in the expression, plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? And also this, how we can write, this is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b and bracket close, right? How it is written it here, that is a cube plus b cube, they have taken it in one side, plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b, they have taken common, and in the bracket they have put it a plus b, right? After this step, what you have to do now, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b, this portion, this one portion, this whole part of your equation of this expression, they have taken a, in a left hand side and in a right hand side they have taken a plus b the whole cube, right? And here again what they have written, a plus b whole cube, they have taken a plus b from this step, a plus b whole cube in a left hand side. After that is equals to, what it will be, a plus b whole cube, this is, it will be as it is, and minus, if it is coming here, this term of this expression or this equation is they are interchanging their position to the right hand side. What happens, the sign will change, it is minus 3ab in the bracket a plus b, right? And the second step, it is, what does it mean, in a bracket a plus b the whole in a bracket and into a plus b the square. How they are writing this, the square and this plus 1, it will be, it means a plus b the whole cube. They have converted into two different factors and they have covered with the large bracket, and they have mentioned they have written it in another form, a plus b the bracket into a plus b whole square, right? After that minus sign will be like that only, 3ab a plus b, this term will be as it is in the equation steps, right? After this, a plus b in a bracket, they have taken it as a common, a plus b will be here also and a plus b will be here also. In a bracket, what will be the remaining part, that is, in a bracket, large bracket will open, and inside that small bracket you have to write inside that a plus b whole square and minus 3ab, and after that large bracket close, right? And then again in this step, after that what happens, a plus b the bracket, it will be as it is, and what you have to do, you have to open the large bracket. For that, how will you write a plus b whole square? For that, formula is there, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this you will open the small bracket inside the large bracket, and what you will do after that, the same thing, that is minus 3ab, it will be as it is, right? This, and after that what will happen, this a plus b the whole bracket inside you have to write this a square minus ab plus b square. How it is coming? This 2ab and minus 3ab, right? Why it will get subtracted from the minus 3ab, so the minus sign minus 3 is bigger than the plus 2ab, so minus sign will be priority before minus ab, right? After that, what you will get, the last expression of this factor expression in the algebraic form, what it is, that is your a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b in a bracket a, and then again one bracket will open, small bracket will open, a square minus ab plus b square, right? This will be your answer form, right? Like that you have to solve the whole things, and at the last the a cube plus b cube is equals to in a bracket a plus b, and again one bracket will open, a square minus ab plus b square, and the bracket will be closed, right? That will be your expression form of a cube plus b cube algebraic expression or equation, right? Now we'll see some examples of your book how we'll solve this type of equation. Suppose in this example, the given it is what it is, x square plus 27y square is equals to x cube plus 3y cube. How it is coming? The 27 is cube of 3 digit, right? And x, it will be x cube only, plus 227y cube, and is equals to x cube plus 3y the whole cube. Okay, in the book it is given, it must be 3, right? Don't get confused. And after that, the next step what it will be, x plus 3y. What we are doing in a general form, we have seen the a cube plus b cube. Here just consider it is x cube as a cube, 3y cube whole cube is a b cube, right? After that, what is the step, a plus b? Here what is a plus b? X plus 3y, and a square is here, x square minus 3 minus ab, that is 3xy, right? 3ab, and the b square 3y the whole square, right? After that, you will get answer in a form of a plus b means x plus 3y in a large bracket, a square that is x square minus 3ab that is minus 3xy plus b square that is 3, if you do the square of 3 that will be your 9y square. So this will be your answer, right? For the question, for this example of expression x cube plus 27y cube, right? This will be your answer, right? Now the another expression we'll see for fractional number, right? What happens for a, if you consider m cube as a cube plus 1 by 4 m cube is equals to what happen, how will you write? This is a cube means m cube plus 1 by 4 m cube, it must be cube, right? 1 by 4, how it is coming? The 64 4 is a cube of 4, right? So 4m we can write, and the whole bracket for 3, right? And 1 into 1 into 1, if you do, you will get 1 only. So it is equals to this expression only. Then the large bracket will open, m square minus 1 by 4 m ab, that this will be ab, and what happens here, 1 by plus b square 1 by 4 m the whole square, this will be your b, right? And after that, m plus 1 by 4 m, that is a plus b, and a square will be your m square minus 1 by 4. How 1 by 4? 1 by 4 m will cancel this m both the m, right? This m will cancel, it will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, plus sign you have to put it there, and 1 by 4 square is a 16m square. This will be your answer for this example, right? Understood? Till that I think it is clear for you. To solve this type of example, what you have to do, you have to know the cubes of the number. How will you remember these cubes? For 1, for example, here I have written for 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1 is equals to 1. For 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. For 1, how much it will be is equals to 1. 2 will be 8. And for 3 cube it is 27. 4 cube it is 64. Like that it is continuous, goes on for 10 till 10, and like that you can also find it for any number, right? So this is about your cubes of number for solving the equations of these factors, right? Now for practice set 6.2, I'm going to solve in front of you question number 3, that is 125k cube plus 27m cube. And what about the cube of 125? This is a cube of 5. So we can write 5k the whole cube plus 3m. 27 is a 3 cube of 3 number, right? So this is 3m cube. And in the form of the answer, how we'll write, this is a plus b, 5k plus 3m. After that, a square, that is 5 into 5. A here it is, if you're considering a here, what does it mean? A is square. 5 into 5, how much? 25. 25k square you have to write. After that, minus sign you have to give, minus ab, that is 5 into 3, 15 km, right? And then plus sign, this is 5 into 3, 15 km, plus 9m square. 3 into 3, how much? 9. So this will be your answer for question number 3, right? And come to the question number 7. This is one of the question which represented as a fractional number here in the question. So this will be your a cube plus 8 by a is cube, the whole cube. What happens here? A will be there plus 2 by a. How 2 by a? Because 2 cube is equals to 8. 8 is a cube of number 2, right? 2 by a will be there, and the one small bracket will start open. Inside the bracket, what they have to write, what you have to write, a square, a square you have to write, and minus 2. How 2? How 2 is coming? Plus 4 by a square. How it is coming? That is, if you do ab minus minus, how much it will be? A into 2 by a. What it will do? It will cancel both the a. Okay? Minus ab. If you write it in your notebook, then also you will be able to find, that is minus ab, minus a is here, minus a is here into 2 by a. So what it will do? It will cancel a, and you will get only minus 2 plus 4 by a square. That will be your answer, right? Now after this, it's a time for your homework. Try to complete your practice set with the all explanation and examples what I have shown you and how I have solved it in front of you in this video, and try to complete it with the practice set number 6.2. And this is today for today's session. This much is enough. Till that, you just try to go through all sort of example and all try to solve all sort of questions, and we'll meet in a next class. Till that, thank you so much for being in my class. Thank you.